In this video, you'll learn how to acquire NEAR tokens using the Trust Wallet application. This process is straightforward and will guide you through each necessary step to successfully purchase NEAR tokens. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. Once the page loads, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Trust Wallet extension and press the Enter key. This action will display a list of search results related to the Trust Wallet extension. Next, find the entry for the Trust Wallet extension in the search results. Click on the link to access the official Trust Wallet page. After this, look for the option to add the extension to your web browser. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Once the extension is installed, you will see the Trust Wallet icon in your browser's toolbar. After that, click on the Trust Wallet icon in your toolbar to open the extension. A new window will appear showing your wallet interface. At this point, navigate to the Fund option, which is typically located on the main dashboard of your wallet. Click on this option to proceed to the funding section. Now select the Buy Crypto option. This will direct you to a new screen where you can purchase various cryptocurrencies. You will see a list of available options. From here, click on Choose a Crypto to view the cryptocurrencies you can buy. Once this menu opens, look for the search bar at the top of the list. Click on this search bar and type in NEAR. As you type, the list will filter to show the NEAR token. This will help you locate the NEAR token quickly. After that, find the NEAR token in the filtered list. Ensure that you are selecting the correct NEAR token, as there may be similar listings. Click on the NEAR token to confirm your selection. Next, you will need to specify the amount of NEAR you wish to purchase. There will be an input field where you can type in the desired amount. Enter the amount carefully, as this will determine how many tokens you receive. Once you have entered the amount, click on the Continue button. This will take you to the next screen where you can review your purchase details. Ensure that everything looks correct before proceeding to finalize your transaction. If necessary, check your available funds and internet speed, as large transactions may take longer to process based on your connection. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.